Hi guys, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday and this is episode 25 for me. In this week's episode, I'm taking a break from decluttering and I am showing you my 5 daily chores, which is make the bed, touch up the bathrooms, do 1 load of laundry, do dishes and counters, and straighten up all the other areas of the house, at least the main areas. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and this is my everyday wife life. Okay guys, I have been struggling over the last couple weeks. I have been having migraine after migraine and feeling dizzy and woozy. I don't know what was going on with me. I'm just feeling in general tired. So on this day, I was feeling really bad and I didn't get up and do anything until 7 o'clock, as you can see here. But pleasantly pleased, after I recorded this whole video, it didn't really take me that long to do any of these tasks. They were a series of tiny tidies. So stay tuned and see what else I get done. So usually, well, let me back up. There is no usual in this house, by the way. But what I intend to do is do my chores, my 5 daily chores in the morning. I usually start in the bedroom and move across to the house, to the end of the house, which is where the family room is, and just do my tiny tidies, my 5 daily chores. I'm just straightening up the bathroom now. I'm not going to clean. It doesn't really need a wipe down, so I'm just picking up the dirty clothes and throwing those few little things away, and picking up this shirt, don't know why it's on the floor there, and putting it in the laundry room, which needs straightened too. So I also do 1 load of wash a day, but there happens to be a load in the dryer that's been sitting there for a couple days. So I'm going to give it a little fluff for like the 3rd time and fold those clothes in a little bit. And all of that only took me, like 11 minutes to do all that. Son and hubby were in the pool and I decided to join them. Don't forget, this is an open collab put together by Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. If you're a YouTuber and you want to join in, contact Sunday and you can join us on Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Don't forget to click on the playlist, and I also have my own playlist of all the tiny tidies that I have done over the last, 7-8 months? Anyway, I'm done swimming and I am coming through the pool bath and cleaning up some clothes that are on the floor and putting them in the laundry room, and then I am showing you the state of the rest of the house. Yes, I know I didn't turn the lights on. It has gotten very messy. I don't know. Son had bought a bunch of pool stuff. We brought in some stuff from the patio when we cleaned it up. That shop vac needs to go in the garage, and right now I am folding a load of laundry, and that doesn't take me very long either. Okay, so that took me like 14 minutes to fold all that laundry and put it away. Yeah, not that bad, right? So now I'm not taking a break. I'm just going to move right into the laundry room and straighten that up a little bit. It has gotten a little messy. Went and got water the other day, so I need to put that away in the closet. Let's see how long this takes me. So I'm not decluttering today, although I'm sort of decluttering. Sometimes decluttering means picking up and putting stuff away, not necessarily getting rid of stuff, but let me know in the comments below what you tiny tidied today. Oh yeah, so here's another tiny tidy on another week, the garage, which I was supposed to be taking a break from, but I still need to straighten it up every week, so you might see that in a tiny tidy. So I am just straightening up the laundry room some more and putting some more things away. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and do me a favor and leave me a little comment. If you don't want to leave a comment, just leave a little purple heart emoji so I know you were here and I can say hello to you. Cushion needs wash, but I will do that later, not today. But I am going to go ahead and put the shop vac that's been sitting there for at least 3 days. I'm going to put that in the garage, do something with this kitty litter. I really don't have a home for it yet. They just tend to be everywhere. We have 4 cats. What are you going to do? Hey, you can see already in this video that none of these tasks are taking me that long. So put your big girl panties on and do the thing. Just do the thing. Get up and do the thing. Okay, it is, what, 9:11, and it only took me like 7 minutes to straighten up. I'm just showing you the state of the library, the entryway, and the dining room. I'm not doing that right now. Like I said, son got a bunch of stuff from Amazon for the kids, for the pool, and this is laundry. That's Zeke, yeah, and laundry that has been sitting there for 3 days. Yeah, that doesn't get done today because hubby went to bed, and I don't want to bother him in the bedroom putting that away, but I do need to clean the kitchen, so there is that. Okay, so I am just having something to eat. It is yo-yo, which means you are on your own night. So I was having leftover breakfast this morning. I was wrong. There's hubby sleeping on the couch. Okay, now he went to bed, so that laundry gets done. Nope, there he is. Sometime at this point in the video, he does go to bed, so that's why the laundry didn't get put away. But right now I'm going to do the dishes, and I want to say that takes me about 20 minutes. So that is a longer daily task, but it still is a tiny tidy. So like I said, I was not been feeling very well, especially this past week, and I felt like the house was a mess, a disaster, but it really wasn't. After I started cleaning it up, it really didn't take that long, and I was stressing over nothing. And there's always this pile here by the cat screen door that is a partition for the cats anyway that we have to go through. So I will take the garbage through and all that other stuff through later on. Like those coffee grinds have been sitting there for over a week. We usually put those on the plants, and it just didn't get around to it. Anyway, so that took me about 22 minutes. I think I end up taking another break after this. Do I? Apparently, I intended on taking a break, and then I'm like, nope, let's just get this momentum going and just do a quick cleanup. And I think it took me all of like 5 or 6 minutes to straighten up the family room. Not a big deal. Done. You can see I'm taking less breaks now. Once the momentum starts going, I don't know, starts going and gets even better. So I just decided to go ahead and sweep and mop just the kitchen area because I cannot stand crumbs under my feet because I'm always barefoot, and that really annoys me. And that took me, another 5 minutes? Showing you my O-Cedar spray mop that I have mentioned in a couple of videos. I really do love the O-Cedar spin mop, but it's just, I don't know. This is just so much easier to use, but I wasn't happy with the way it was mopping the floor. But then I found this other mop head for that you can take off and put in the washer. You can do that with the other one, but the other one just has the smooth top, which you're seeing now, but when you turn it over, the blue part on the bottom, it has all the little, I don't know what you call it. It's fuzzy or whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. And it really cleans the floor so much better. The smooth side just glides right over the floor. Doesn't clean as well. So definitely a game changer, and it cleans the floor so much better. I don't have to scrub with my little foot when I wear my little mop socks, which I wasn't wearing in this video. Anyway, that took all 5 minutes, and I still have that to contend with later. But right now, I'm going to take a Klondike break. Hey, I took a little break and was watching YouTube or TV or something. Anyway, it's a little while later, And I was just going to go to bed, and I'm like, you know what, Michelle, put your big girl panties on and just get this cleaned up. It's not going to take you as long as you think it is. I'm just showing you this mess. This is all the stuff that son bought from Amazon. A couple of things that came off the patio when we cleaned it up the other day. We're done mostly out there with the tools and stuff like that. So most of the cleanup is done. And this is just a matter of putting all this stuff in the garage, all the boxes, so they can be broken down, yada, 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 all the things. And obviously, like I said, the garage is going to need a tiny tidy, probably a mighty tidy. Not today. So I did end up putting all the boxes in the garage and the pool toys out in the patio. So that's going to need to be cleaned up again. So right now I'm just cleaning up all the cat toys. This is kind of a little cat playground. And Rue really likes the curtain that I washed and never put back up. And he's been laying on that. So I'm going to have to wash that again. I'm just showing you what it looks like. Yes, there's a thing of cat litter because the cats ripped a hole in the screen and we're blocking it with that. Anyway, just straightening up hubby's desk, aka the dining room table. Actually, the dining room table, aka the desk that he likes to sit at. You know, it's his house too, so he can sit there if he wants to. Anyway, so I'm just straightening that up because, you know, he's got to start work again in the morning. So there is that, and the carpet looks really nasty. It needs steam clean. And there's 2 more boxes out there on the porch that didn't come in. How many things did my son buy for the kiddos? They have not come over for a swim yet, but hopefully soon. We have to wait until they finish the deck. Yeah, I left that stuff on the staircase. Now I'm going to unzip the screen and clean up all this mess, put the garbage out in the garage. Hubby will take care of it in the morning. He takes the garbage out to the bins and takes them to the road and does all the things for me there. So there's that. Almost done here, and I think straightening up all those rooms took me only about 17-18 minutes, and then I'm just the last couple minutes I'm putting away these dishcloths, and we will be done. Okay, and just like that, we're done, but I have a little storytelling for you, so stay tuned. I'll tell you what happened the next day. It's story time. Okay, I woke up on this day, Monday, and feeling really good. Did not have a migraine this morning. Went in the pool with son and then got busy cleaning the patio and spraying it down because they're coming sometime this week to finish the decking. So I pressure washed the rest of the cushions that I didn't get to the other week and just did a general cleanup and washed everything down. And then I took a shower and went to the grocery store, and then this happened. So I was bringing the groceries in and a bag broke and several cans of corn fell on my toe and it hurt like, it hurt. And hubby was on a call and son was sleeping and I was in extreme pain and I ended up having to put away all the perishables and frozen stuff and whatever away until could get some help. And then hubby wrapped my foot up. I had blood all over this shoe and I had to rinse that off. And hubby wrapped my foot up in a towel when he was done with his call. And then I sat on the couch for the rest of the afternoon. Sometimes I feel like I can't catch a break, but, you know, I can laugh about it now. And it was a good thing because then I sat on the couch the rest of the day and edited this video for you. If you're new to my channel, click my face up there and subscribe. And until next time, guys, enjoy your day.